All right, let's get you first up protest pictures that we are getting from the national capital. This is the Aam Aadmi Party workers who are protesting there, hitting the streets against the Congress over the death of the 9-year-old Dalit boy in Rajasthan's Jalore. So these are the protest pictures as the police is now trying to take them away. They are being detained now as force is being used against the Aam Aadmi Party workers. There will be shortly joined by Nyamika to give us more details as those buses that have been deployed to remove and to disperse the crowd of the protesters that had gathered to, in a way, attack the Congress party. They are protesting over the death of the 9-year-old boy that happened in Rajasthan's Jalore. Nyamika is with us right now. Nyamika, protesters, they're hitting the streets from the Aam Aadmi Party. Take us through the details, please.
Well, today the SC/ST unit of Aam Aadmi Party held a protest outside the AICC headquarters against the Congress-ruled state government in Rajasthan after a 9-year-old boy died as it has been alleged that he drank the water from the pot of his teacher, and he was a Dalit boy, and that is the reason why he was being attacked for doing so. And against this whole matter, Aam Aadmi Party has come on the streets today. Yesterday also, the two top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party of SC/ST unit held a press conference. Rajendra Pal Gautam, who is the minister of Delhi government, was also being there in yesterday's press conference, and they attacked the Congress-ruled state government in Rajasthan, saying that the atrocities against the Dalits are increasing day by day. Specifically, if we talk about the state of Rajasthan, and that is the reason why Rajendra Pal Gautam had also written a letter to the Rajasthan chief minister saying that this matter should be taken up in a strictest manner, and there should be proper investigation that took place in this matter, and a fast track court should also be set up, and that court should do a regular basis hearing in this matter. And today the SC/ST unit has hit the streets outside the AICC headquarters. However, all these protesters got detained very soon by the Delhi police, as the section 144 has been imposed on this road, and that is the reason they did not had any kind of permission to hold this protest at the Akbar Road, but they were continuously raising slogans against the Rajasthan government. They are also demanding that the Rajasthan chief minister should give his resignation, because these are the cases which are repeatedly going on in Rajasthan. These are the atrocities against the Dalits which are being reported in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan government is not taking appropriate actions, and that is the reason why all these cases are coming up day by day.
Right, but Nyamika, is it also in the backdrop of the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Earlier, what was being said that he had to visit the state of Gujarat to strategize on what the Congress party will be attempting to do in the assembly elections. Thereafter, he had to also visit the national capital. So is Ashok Gehlot in Delhi? That is why these protests are happening?
Well, no, this protest was already being planned by the Aam Aadmi Party. Yesterday also, there was a press conference that was being done by Rajendra Pal Gautam, and in that press conference, it was being informed that the SC/ST unit of Aam Aadmi Party is going to hit the streets. And that is the reason why today they have come outside the AICC headquarters to raise this demand, saying that the Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot must resign regarding this matter. Yesterday also it was being informed that a letter has been sent to the Rajasthan Chief Minister to hold a proper investigation into this matter, as it is the Aam Aadmi Party who is continuously alleging that it is because of the leniency of the Congress-ruled state government in Rajasthan, because of which these cases are being continuously raising in the state of Rajasthan, and it is the responsibility of the Chief Minister to do proper investigation to set a faster court.
And when it comes to Ashok Gehlot, he seems to have tweeted also on the boy's death, because the Chief Minister himself was being faced with a lot of criticism and questions by his own party leaders, saying that enough is not being done, and that too also that came in from the former Deputy CM, which is Sachin Pilot. So Ashok Gehlot, I'm just going to quickly quote from the tweet. He goes on to say कि जालोर में एक 9 साल के मासूम बच्चे की मृत्यु से पूरा देश आहत है। अहमदाबाद में विधायक श्री जिग्नेश मुकेश मेवानी से मिलकर घटना की चर्चा हुई। इस दुख भरे सभी समाज परिवार के साथ है। घटना के बाद आरोपी को तत्वरित गिरफ्तारी भी करी गई है और SC/ST एक्ट में मुआवजे की राशि मुख्यमंत्री सहायता कोष से सहायता राशि दी गई है। So he is actually giving an explanation, Nyamika, that what all is being done by his own government because his own leaders are raising questions on the non-action that is being taken.
Well, absolutely, the compensation amount is also being given to the kins of the deceased, and that is what the government of Rajasthan is claiming, and they are also saying that the justice will prevail in this matter, proper investigation will be done. But on the other hand, it is the Aam Aadmi Party who is basically raising this question that what is the reason why these atrocities against the Dalits are raising day by day, and they have also said that how our country can get strong in future, because even after the completion of 75 years of independence, such kind of incidents are getting reported in different states. So how can equality can be prevailed in the country if such incidents continuously gets reported, and if the state governments are not taking appropriate actions in such manner. So that is the reason why Aam Aadmi Party is saying that the Rajasthan government should set an example, should take appropriate actions in this manner, because it is the responsibilities of the state governments to so that these cases should not come up, these atrocities should stop against the Dalits in our country.
Absolutely, the fast track trial karwaya ja sake, that is the appeal that is also being made by the Chief Minister, because he also goes on to say with the amount and the compensation that is being announced, he says कि परिवार के एक सदस्य को नौकरी देने के संबंध में पूर्व के मामलों में परीक्षण करवाया जा रहा है। इस मामले के केस में ऑफिसर स्कीम को दिया गया है जिसमें फास्ट ट्रैक ट्रायल करवाया जा सके। So how the case is to be fast tracked, that is the question that is also being raised at this point. Looking at the pictures on your screen right now, Nyamika, if you can just also show us around, has the protest ended? Because what you've been mentioning, that most of those leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party have already been detained by the police. All right, so those pictures that are coming in of the Aam Aadmi Party SC/ST unit there, they have been taken into custody. They were hitting the streets against the Congress Party office in protest of the death of the 9-year-old boy in Rajasthan's Jalore. Let's quickly now move